So what did I use today? Today is trunk restock day. I put all my little stuff in the bag so I wouldn't have to carry out the boxes. But we're going to restock my trunk kit because I was missing a ton of stuff. Not really missing, just low on the supply. And I don't like to be low on the supply of certain things. First, we're going to move my car into an inconspicuous space. Because I'm an awkward person. I truly don't need people watching me. Be a weirdo filming in my driveway. Let's go take a little mini ride. God, it is hot. Now, many of you are probably wondering, what do we do when our supplies are in our car when it gets super hot or cold? I'm actually telling you. Hold on. Generally speaking, what we would or you should do is bring everything in that could be affected by temperature changes. Now, we can't... What is that noise? Always keep an extra makeup brush on you. You never know when you're gonna need it. Our rule with them is bring no stuff in because... Yeah, this is what my trunk kit looks like now. This is my trunk kit. This is because I'm not working. So this is my laptop holder, mini desk. So we're going to take that out, put that there. This is my PPE bag. Keep all my PPE in here. That's going to come out while we do this. And then I have a little mini vacuum for my car. Everybody should have that regardless. This is my visit bag. Beautiful. These are extra shoes. So let's get started. Okay, so now... This is my trash can. I also keep that back there. I just gotta pull this ish. Oh, I have another one back here. Gosh darn it. Every once in a while. Sweatshirt. That's my daughter's sweatshirt. Okay, so we got some Chux. Actually, those aren't Chux. Those are doggy poo-poo bag. My neighbor's gonna drive by. Okay, so generally speaking, what you want to keep is like Foleys. And there's a runner. Of course, there's a runner, right? Keep Foleys in our trunk kit. Put in here. That is a thick one. Yeah, so this is like my Foley bat, my Foley catheter section is here. Let's see if I can bring you a little bit closer. I should be going for a run today, but my life all just kind of got tossed in there, all willy-nilly. Okay, so Foley stuff is gonna get put in one less box. This is like my bowel movement section. So I'm gonna bend all over a little bit more. Too much bending, so she said. So like bowel movement stuff over here, Chux pads, wound care, and this goes in my PPE. And I keep my extra N95s, gloves, my 1 ml. Every hospice nurse should have 1 ml oral syringes, of course. We have these. They're called doTERRA. We don't waste meds. The family does it, but that's how we do it. Pill crushers and pill splitters are in there. And this is, like I said, my wound care. I have some spray stuff, and then I keep 2 sets, extra lotions, of course a Nerf dart, that makes sense, for bags. When we go to COVID houses, we have to leave our stuff outside in a trash bag. Oh, a patient card and stethoscope cap cover thingy, mabobbers, pens. Big marker. I love that. Okay, the other thing that I got was normal saline because we do a lot of Foley cath care and irrigations on in hospice. That's usually what a lot of our PRN visits are for. So I like to have a bunch on there because you never know what the patient has in home. You always should be prepared for that. I did get some Optifoam because I was running out of those, and I thought I got 10 single packs of Q-tips, but I got a single pack of 10. For reading comprehension, people. And so that's gonna go right in the wound care section. And then I also got some of these, which are gonna go in my bag because I ran out of bordered gauze. So I keep a few of these in my bag. And the little ones are always good for like tiny little skin tears. My only gripe is if you have peeps with sensitive skin or fragile skin, then these might not be the go-to for you because they are quite sticky. Border gauze can be quite sticky. Enemas. We're putting these in today. Of course, you have many. Hospice deals with a lot of bowel issues. If not, we're gonna put these also in the wound care part. Part of trunk restocking, kit restocking day is also restocking your bag. Now zipper you up. Okay. Last thing I have is I got myself some medical tape. Good. Now we're gonna push this guy back. Oops, no, put a net in it though. Yeah. And then we're gonna now put everything back. Oh, I have a wrench. I forgot what I was using that for. Actually, I don't know. And here's also my extra pair of scrub pants that I keep in here. Not quite not wrinkled, but you know what? If something does happen, it's better than having poopy pants, right? And a rain jacket, because you never know when it's gonna rain on me, which seems like a lot today. Maybe that's more metaphorical than seems like it's raining on me. Sorry. We're gonna put my PPE thing in here. Now, you're probably wondering, why do you keep all of this stuff in here if you're never gonna, like all these removable bags if you don't take them out? I do take them out. I do take my bags out. Have been really lazy about it lately because I'm tired, to be honest. And it's a lot easier when you work day to day to not take things out, because usually I'm not doing too many errands that require a ton of space in here anyway. And then I'm gonna leave one garbage can in here, that on top of everything, because why not? It doesn't matter. And then that's it. My trunk is kind of back in order, so when I go to work, the next time I go to work, I'm gonna put this up front, and I'm gonna take out my garbage, what is it called? Just my garbage. And put that up front so I can have access to it, but everything else is gonna stay back here. And I just flip this guy open. It is so good to be organized. Organization is key. You need to have everything in its place. I used to have a Tupperware full of randomness, and that didn't suit me well at all. I did not like not knowing what I had. I mean, I had things in bags and I thought that was okay, but it really, yeah, it's a lot easier to have it this way, and it looks more neater. Yeah, today's the day. Ooh, bug. That's the bulk of it. So yeah, that's my trunk kit, and we restocked it. So basically, you know, the main takeaways is always have things for the poop, the pee, and the boo-boos. I have a 7-year-old, so that's probably why I talk like that. But yeah, always have things in case people get constipated, in case their Foleys need to flush, and extra wound care, because you never know what you're gonna find, really, or you never know what people are gonna have, because sometimes things don't get ordered, things don't come on time, or we change up wound care in the visit. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any questions, comments you have down below. I hope my videos are somewhat helpful to the newer hospice nurses out there. I know they're not super long, but I just try to do my best to keep it short and sweet, because like nobody wants to be sitting here listening to somebody go on and on and on about like enemas. I mean, unless you do, I can. Enjoy the day.